sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we're trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater, but it always comes up out of nowhere like an evil surprise. Then it hovers over you, things that lies. You don't relate to that, it's crazy design. The point I'm making is the mind is a powerful place. It can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me, this'll only take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your faith. Take a look at the benefits. Nothing no matter what, I can never be delicate. I ain't irrelevant, that's the best of the measurement. The measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on the something you tend to be. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to take it. Get up and pop my head again and give it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Seatbelts back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a roll right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip.
Thinking that I'm too hot, getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me, even what I got, don't put up. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shots, so I can and I'm going to life progressively. I don't know what stop, but they can't tell me. The what's one job is to live like presently. Already gone close in my mind, not a fantasy. With all hot souls, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control, live my bop, you fall. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold, my stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, me home. I ain't stopping, don't let me know. Is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping, don't you can't stop me, I'm fucking up. Taking that down from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never know I'm taking that down from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't gonna make cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession. Taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy. That's what makes you scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute. I'm daring you. Recklessly, but that's why I'm invested. So much break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't gonna make
till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see like you do. Christmas every time we start knocking at the door of a paradise with honesty, but I win.